Take it to the next level with Fuser's Enterprise Content Management application, which consists of the documents, forms, e-signature templates, transactions, commissions, and accounting. Fuser is a complete electronic signature application through SignaShare for all of your business transaction needs. Fuser is a secure way to send, sign, and manage documents and transactions. From any device, just pick the recipient and document that needs to be signed. Specify the fields that need to be filled, initialed or signed, or use a template that is already created to avoid repetitive entry points. Just click Send and the signers can all sign at one time, or escalate through a process of approving and signing. These signature templates and forms can all be assigned to a transactional process for triggers and automation of a transaction. These processes allow tasks and triggers for the transaction to fill content and send documents for signatures necessary to complete the document. This automation increases compliance and decreases the tedious parts of the transaction. The user simply selects the document needed and clicks Fill or Fill and Sign. The ECM grabs the document, fills the document with relevant data from the MLS, transactional info, and important contacts to automatically send out for signatures. Fuser then deposits the finished document in the appropriate location. At the end of the transaction, the dynamic commission management automatically calculates commissions for agents and teams of agents to be sent to QuickBooks or AcctFusion. AcctFusion is the only complete cloud-based accounting system built for real estate with invoicing, check writing, accounts payable, accounts receivable, and reporting for a comprehensive overview of the strength of the office. Quickly find and manage all documents and files at an enterprise level that could otherwise be overwhelming. Fuser's ECM gives you a complete folder-based system with tags and a dynamic search feature for any documents, whether in a transaction or just uploaded to the system. Search for a specific date or between a start and end date. Fuser also enables custom foldering on an individual level. The permissions, user roles, and tags can be personalized for your organization at the document and folder level. The Results feature is an easy way of quickly finding the exact document needed. Upon clicking on the document, you have a preview and all the data necessary to manage this document. Since your organization relies heavily on signing documents and requires filling out information from the end user or through APIs, then Fuser's Quick Forms feature will save you a tremendous amount of time in creating and filling forms. Your organization has the ability, through roles and permissions, to control all documents at an organizational level and update them globally whenever the association needs to update forms and templates. Simply click on the Form Designer, upload any PDF document, and assign the autofill fields. Use the top menu as a toolbar for enhancing features. Calculations and invoices can be created with this feature. Click Save, and your form is ready to be autofilled over and over again with your organization's system data. Or send out via URL to be filled by any desired amount of people, or assigned to a template in the electronic signature application for escalation of signatures and approvals. Everything is stored electronically in the ECM solution for indexing, storing, and analyzing. Take control of your productivity and put Fuser at the heart of your ECM strategy.